In today's lesson, we will be learning about subtraction to take away from the total number by using the 10 slot Piranhas by William Wise. I have, where'd it go? There it is. Some little piranhas cut out, and every time a piranha is eaten in the book, I will add it to the cup. The students will have goldfish, that way they can eat it, make it a little more fun. Ten sly piranhas were swimming in the river. 10 hungry fishes hoping very much to die. Then one sly piranha sneaked up close behind another one. With a gurp and a gurgle, there were only 9. So, one of the fish got eaten. So now we're going to count back our fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 take away 1 equals 9. Nine sly piranhas were swimming in the river. 9 little tricksters who were lying there in wait. One said, "My dear, you can trust me like a brother." And with a gulp and a gurgle, there were only 9. So we add another one to the cup. So we started off with 10. There have been 2 eaten. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 piranhas left. 8 sly piranhas were swimming in the river, frolicsome and frisky, and yet greatly to be feared. Then all began to play a game of follow the leader. And with a gulp and a gurgle, number 8 had disappeared. So, another one is gone. Erase this. So 3 have been eaten. Equals, so there was 10, 3 have been eaten, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 piranhas left. Oops. 7 piranhas. Seven sly piranhas were swimming in the river, each a slippery shimmer with a dozen dirty tricks. Then one said, "Come close if you want to hear a secret." I wouldn't be trusting this piranha. And with a gulp and a gurgle, there were only 6. So one more is has been eaten. So there were 10. There have been 4 eaten. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 piranhas left. Six sly piranhas were swimming in the river, dreaming of their dinners as piranhas often do. Then one stopped to stare at some turtles that were passing. And with a gulp and a gurgle, number 6 had vanished too. So there goes that one. So there were 10 to start off with. And 5 have been eaten. So that leaves us, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 sloth piranhas are left. 5 sloth piranhas were swimming in the river. 5 rascals all rotten to the core. Then one spied another eating beetles at the bottom. And with a gulp and a gurgle, there were only 4 left. So there goes that one. So we had 10 to start off with. There have been 6 eaten. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sloth piranhas are left. 4 sloth piranhas were swimming in the river. 4 cool carnivores, each as crafty as could be. Then one found a cave and asked, "Shall we go explore?" I would not be following that fish. And with a gulp and a gurgle, there were only 3. So there goes another guy. So there were 10 to start with. 7 have been eaten. And that leaves us with 1, 2, 3 sloth piranhas. 3 sloth piranhas were swimming in the river, the last remaining member of the memorable crew. Then one saw his neighbor growing sleepy in the sunlight. Fish is about to eat that one. And with a gulp and a gurgle, there were only 2. So there goes that guy. So there were total, at the beginning, there were 10. And 8 of them have been eaten, have been taken away from this number. So now we have 1, 2, that's a crazy looking 2. 2 sloth piranhas. 2 sloth piranhas were swimming in the river. A pair of artful actors just pretending to have fun. And then the first cried, "Look out, there's a snake behind you." I don't think it's the snake that's going to eat him. And with a gulp and a gurgle, there was only 1 left. So, whoops, there goes that fish. So now we have 10. 9 of them have been eaten. So now we have 1 little lonely fish left. A single sloth piranha was swimming in the river, more cunning than the others, for he had vanished everyone. Thought he'd grow so clever he could be eaten up by anyone. But oh snap, went old Croc. Oops. Unless you'd like to hear it. Oh, wrong page. And then there were none. No sloth piranhas were swimming in the river where not so long ago there had been 8, 9, 10. And so ends the story of those foxy little fishes. Unless you'd like to hear it told the same way again. Alright. So we had 10 piranhas, 10 of them, all of them are gone. So that leaves us with 0 piranhas. Now, I'm going to pass out a worksheet for y'all to do. And it's 5 minus 2. So 5 take away the 2. You can draw circles, squares, fish, anything that you need to. And you're going to draw 5, because that's the first number. And then you're going to take away 2. So I want you to X those 2 out. Like that. And then you're left with 1, 2, 3. So then you're going to write 3 up here in the box. And that was our lesson about subtraction.